Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 3 Series wing mirror. Disconnect the battery, remove the door trim clips, and access the mirror mounting bolts immediately. Keep all screws organized and note connector positions to make reinstalling straightforward. I will walk you through removing the old mirror, transferring motors and glass, and reattaching the new assembly while testing power functions and heating for proper operation. Start by lowering the window slightly and removing the triangular trim piece gently to reveal 3 mounting bolts. Use a ratchet and extension to loosen bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent it from falling. Once bolts are loose, tilt the mirror outward and disconnect the electrical connector with a small flat tool. Set the old mirror aside and check wiring for any corrosion or damage before preparing the new unit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort after a long day wrenching. I love how they hold up through garage work and travel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new mirror assembly and feed the wiring through the door opening while aligning the mounting studs. Hand start each bolt to ensure proper thread engagement, then torque them snugly to avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the electrical plug and temporarily reconnect the battery to test adjustment, heating, and folding features. Once confirmed, reinstall the trim cover and any clips, then verify operation again to ensure everything is secure and functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.